Hey there, so I'm just going to show you in this mini tutorial how to embed a video from Canva on or into your course. Now you can do this with a lot of different systems. Canva just happens to be one of them. You can do this with YouTube, you can do this with Vimeo. There's a lot of different ones you can do. And this is going to take a little different approach than the typical way we do uploading in Owwlish, where we upload an actual video or an embed link. If we try to do that, it this one will support YouTube, Vimeo, and a few other ones, but it doesn't support everything. So the way I'm going to show you is a way to kind of bypass that and do it directly into the body of your lesson. And also you could have it where you have a video on top and a video below, and maybe some text down below, and then a video underneath that. So you can have multiple videos on one lesson page by using this method that I'm going to show you. So let's go back. I found a video that I like here. This is one, let's say you've done some editing to it and it's ready to go. You're going to click on the share button, and then you're going to go click on the more button, and then you're going to click on the live embed button. Now, when you do this, you're going to click on the HTML option here. Just click copy, and then you're going to go into your actual lesson here. Again, you're not going to go up here. You're going to go down here and click that insert option. You're going to click media, and then embed, and then you're going to paste the code here. And what's going to happen is it's going to put it right in there. You can already see it. And if I don't want this little thing that's added, I'm just going to slightly delete that. Now it's ready to go. I can save this. I can add text above or below this video if I want, or anything else. And then when your learners view your course, they're going to be able to watch this video very easily like this. So hopefully that helps